problem is to write a Python program to copy a file. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. My name is Ayushi Jain and in this video we will learn how to write a program in Python that will allow us to copy a file. So guys, to copy a file in Python, we have a very simple module, very easy module in Python. Python provides us with a lot of modules and we have a shuttle module over here. Shuttle is a module that allows us to copy, create or remotely work on a file. It is one of the Python standards utility module. It allows us to automate the process of copying a file or moving off a file or directories. Okay, now how does this shuttle module works? Let's have a look on that. To use a shuttle module over here, and from our shuttle module we will be calling our copy file attribute, and I'll be writing import or from shuttle import copy file, from shuttle import copy file, and I'll be writing copy file. Inside the copy file you need to write two parameters over here. First parameter would be the file which we need to copy, and the second parameter would be the designation file, that means the file where we need to send the data. So first of all, I'll just show you. I'll open this folder over here and I have two text files, that is demo.txt. Inside the demo.txt it has been written, hello everyone, this is my demo file, I hope you all like it. And I have file.txt in which there is no text inside it. So we have two files. In the demo.txt we have a text, and in the file.txt we don't have any text at all. So what we need to do over here is we need to first give the location. To give the location, I'll just copy from here, or you can go to properties of this file and copy the location. For copying the location, you can just go to location, copy this data, come back to our PyCharm, paste this data and paste this data inside the double quotations. Now all the backward slashes will be converted into the forward slashes. And after desktop, we have YT mini programs. So instead, let's take it from here. So I'll copy the location from here and paste it and remove this part. Put a forward slash, another forward slash, and now I'll write the name of our file. For the name of our file, again I'll go back and you can right click on demo.txt, properties, and you can see demo.txt is the name of the file. So you can copy from here, go back here and paste it. Now this is our first file, that is, this is our first parameter, that from which file we have to copy. After this, I'll put a comma and write the destination, that means location of our destination file, that in which file we need to copy it. For that, I'll again go to my folders. Here we have file.txt. Again, let's copy the location. Let's come back here again, paste it inside the double quotations, convert all the backward slashes to forward slashes. And here we will write the name of the file, that is file.txt. Okay, once we have done it, let's run and see what happens. As soon as I run, nothing would happen over here. Okay, I have run some other files. I'll just run it again and nothing would happen over here. But if I go back and let me close both of these files. So if I go back to my programs, to my folder, here, if I open my file.txt, let's see what happens here. So you will see that the data which was written in our demo.txt file has now been copied to our file.txt, and our program, that means, is working over here. So in just 2 lines we have created a program that will allow us to automate the process of copying a file. That means we don't have to create any loops over here, and we don't need to read the files, or we don't need to perform anything over here. We just need to call our shuttle module, and from shuttle module we'll be using copy file. Inside the copy file we'll be passing the 2 parameters and our work is done over here. So I hope you guys have no doubts in the questions, and for more such interesting programs, stay connected guys. Thank you.